Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can thread up this mini sewing machine. So right now this is threaded up, so you can take a quick look at where it goes, but I'm going to take it all off now and do it again from the beginning. So it goes from here, through here, over, through there, down through here, down through there, front to back through the needle, and then we have to thread up the bottom bit as well. So let me undo it and we'll do it from the beginning. So here we go, ready to go now. We have our two bobbins here. We're going to grab the first one, and it's going to be coming out in this direction. We're going to put it on here. So spring goes on here, and then this bit goes through the bobbin, and you just put it on here. But don't do it so tight that it's not able to move nicely. Make sure that you can move this nicely. So I'm going to just loosen that up a little bit there by just pulling it out a little bit. There. So we need to bring the thread through here from right to left. And we're going to go over the top of these little tension rings, and we're going to go through this from right to left. We want to make sure that the thread is in the middle of those two bits of metal, like so. Pull through some slack. We're going to be going through this now from right to left, like so. Now we're going to be going through this one here from top to bottom, and we're going to be going through this one here from top to bottom, like so. Now we need to go through the needle from front to back, so from left to right. So make sure that the needle is in the upright position, so the very highest point there. And I'm going to use one of these just to make it easier. So I'm going to be pushing this through from the right hand side. Just makes it easier to thread the actual needle. And now I'm going to be bringing that through. So you can see now that's gone through from front to back. I'm going to make sure I have plenty of slack on this, so I'm just going to bring some more thread through. There we go. Now on this bottom one here we need to undo this, so grab it here and slide it forward like so, and we want to be putting it in this way round. So when we pull it, can you see that it is going clockwise? So not that way, because that's turning counterclockwise. When we pull it, it's going clockwise, so it's going in like that. And we're going to place it in there like so, and we're going to rest this thread in this little channel here and give yourself a nice little bit of slack as well. So now what we have to do is we're going to be turning this towards us this way, and we're going to make this go all the way down and back up again, and then we're just going to pause. So grab this now, make sure this goes all the way down and back to the top position. So turning it now, the needle's going down, this is now going down, keep turning it towards you. And now that's it, stop. It's gone back to the top position here. So we are now going to pull the thread that's gone through the needle, not this bottom bobbin thread, this thread that's gone through the needle. So we're just going to get the thread, and we're just going to nice and gently, you see I'm through the middle of this little presser foot, and I'm just pulling it like so. Keep pulling it, keep pulling it, keep pulling it, and there you go. It's brought up the bottom thread from here. You can use your fingers and grab that along, or you can get some little tweezers and grab it, and then when you pull this one, they are now both through like so. And then all we have to do is bring it through, the top one through the bottom bit of the foot there, bring them both to the back, and that is it. We can now put this back on. And then you can put whatever material you want to sew through here, and you can put the presser foot down by this bit here. So that is it. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.